everybody, I'm Zach.
And I'm Jesse.
And you're watching the Model 3 Tip of the Week. What do we got going this week, Jess?
We replaced my pedals in my Model 3 with performance pedals.
Ooh, let's see how that
goes. Makes the car go faster.
Does it?
No. All right, so I'm always looking for ways to spiff up my Model 3, and non-performance Model 3s have the standard pedals, which means that I don't have the performance-looking pedals. However, I went on Amazon, and there is a company that makes performance pedals, so I'm going to pop them on my pedals and see how it looks. All right, so just to make my life easier, I'm going to get my steering wheel up and out of the way, and I'm going to pull it all the way out, so that way when I'm under there, it's not in the way of what I'm doing. All right, so the first thing that I'm not sure about is if I need to take off the pedal covers now. Yeah, I definitely need to take them off, so I'm going to see how hard that is. Okay. All right, so this is the stock pedal cover, and this is the new one. So you can see that they're just about the same size, and looks pretty similar in the back. It looks like I'm gonna need to slip mine down over the top, whereas this one I could just pull off from just about any angle. So I'm gonna see. Okay, so sliding down part is easy, but getting the bottom lip on here is a challenge. A little push, and I think I have it on there. Yeah, that's not gonna come, I don't think that's gonna come off. That feels pretty good. Now I have a screwdriver, which I'm going to use behind it to kind of get this rubber flap out from behind the pedal. There, I got it. That side, now I need to get the other side. So now it is on. Completely. Yeah, none of the lip is behind it. So this one actually, there's nothing to pull off, which makes it super easy. So, and I think I can just sort of wrap it around. It might be easier to do it this way.
So it doesn't slide on?
No, which is probably good because then it would slide off, right? Oh, okay, let's, come on. This one is harder.
Because the rubber's on there?
The rubber is a bit stiffer, I feel like. It might just be thicker. Okay, so I got the bottom little teeny corner of it just on there. Now I'm hopefully gonna be able to get the rest of it. The left side is now on.
Use the screwdriver to help you with the right side.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Another tip is to move your seat all the way back. Give yourself as much room in there as possible.
I'd passed this one up before. I was like, I need leverage. I do not need any leverage. This one is a waste of time. Forget about it. So I feel like I'm ripping the rubber. I don't want to pull it off, but I do.
Don't pull it off.
I feel like I'm ripping the rubber. I don't think it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ripping the rubber. That's the problem. I'm gonna try going from the other side, I guess. If I had like 3 more screwdrivers, I could do it actually. Okay, so 1 screwdriver I don't think is enough. I'm gonna go get more. 2 more short screwdrivers, so hopefully now I can distribute the rubber
so
along.
what's the problem been?
I can't get the other side on. Like, and I started to, like I had slid this side on, and then I had this bit hanging out, this little bit right here. But the problem was I couldn't pull it through, you know, because the pedal was sitting here. I couldn't pull it on top. It started to rip the rubber right there. So that wasn't gonna be the successful way to do it. So you can't just, you know, have one little bit. So I need to get like 3 screwdrivers in here to pry the rubber back and let me hopefully get the pedal on. I think with 3, this should do it.
And how do you know what side is up and what side's down on the pedal?
So I mean, you can tell by the shape.
Oh, okay.
And also, if you get in there, you can see that there isn't enough room for this to continue all the way around up at the top.
Gotcha.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, come on.
You had it for a second?
I thought I did. So, okay, so now I'm kind of in the same boat I was before, where there's bits of rubber that's actually behind the pedal, in now in 3 places. I'm already losing grip. I'm gonna try pushing it on. Oh, that seemed to have somewhat worked. So this is actually kind of useful. You can see some of the issues that I'm having here. Let's get this light right where we need it. Yeah, you can see right here how the rubber is kind of trapped behind it and that it's kind of ripped and that I'm not going to be able to pull it out. And then on this side, you can see that it goes up great all the way.
You got it?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
God. Okay, well, that was unpleasant.
All right, so the first one was a 3 out of 10. What would you give this one? The accelerator pedal.
If you don't know what you're doing like me, I would say a 6.
Okay.
Because I mean, I'm considering like I didn't have to unscrew anything. I didn't have to worry about breaking anything really. So overall, I mean, I'm happy in that regard. With the right tools, if you know that you need a bunch of these guys, small, short, strong, big, flat, wide, as many as possible, that'll make your life so much easier.
And if you had some other tool, what would it be? Like a short...
It would be like a very short putty knife. It would be a rectangle of metal, kind of like this, only without this stupid bit, and thinner than this, you know, thinner in that regard, a little bit wider.
So yeah, so basically hack a putty knife apart, like
or
plastic
just a
putty knife.
Just a piece of something.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Right,
that
well,
would help a lot.
How happy are you with the final look?
It looks great. I mean, keeping in mind that it's always at my feet, it'll look nicer than my feet for sure. So let me hop in. Looks pretty nice. In terms of the feel, I'm in park.
Do you feel like it's more elevated than it was before?
I'm not going to pretend that I can tell the difference, but if I had to say anything, just based on what I know, accelerator pedal is a little bit closer to my foot. The brake feels absolutely the same. I don't know, I can't really tell the difference. It does look nicer though, doesn't it?
It does.
And that's all that matters.
All right,
isn't
so
it?
I guess my big question is, if you now knowing what you know,
Yeah.
and knowing that what it costs, because it's not that expensive,
No.
would you do it again?
Yeah. Yeah. Now that I know how to do it, yeah. It's, you know, modifying your car. It's about the easiest modification you could probably do.
And how long did it take once you have the right tools and you know what you're doing?
I think you could do it in probably 10 minutes. You know, it wasn't too easy. It wasn't too hard to get this pedal off and get the other one on. Yeah, the accelerator, as long as you have the right tools. We'll put a link below to these pedals, and you can buy them yourself, install them yourself, and look really fancy. You can tell everyone you paid for the premium performance edition, and everyone will wonder when you put your foot down why it doesn't feel like performance. All right, thank you so much for watching. Now you know.
All right, would you do that again? Yeah. I mean, so
It was not that hard.
so you think the second time installing would even go faster?
In the moment,
Would you use 3 screwdrivers again, or would you find something a little different?
putty knife might work?
I think so too.
They
Should sell it with a little plastic putty knife.
Yeah, I don't like waste.
Thanks so much for watching. Now you know.